Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another clean with me. This is a daily clean with me on how I pick up the house after the day and how I keep up with it. We got some pretzels on the couch, we got a laundry basket, a container of water, and Matthew's high chair also has some food on there, so we're going to go ahead and wipe all this up and get started. So I am just going ahead and shaking off the blanket, make sure there was no food in there. We're going to go ahead and fold that up and put it back onto the couch. I'm going ahead and picking up all of Matthew's toys and going ahead and put them back into his room. He has been obsessed with stuffed animals and pillows recently. It's so adorable. Alright, time for the big guns now. We're going ahead and vacuuming the carpet, and I'm also going to clean that spot where the pretzels were. My little helper, he's always wanting to help me. He loves the vacuum. I had moved the couch so I can vacuum under it, and I'm just scooting it back where it was. I'm using Lysol just to wipe down his high chair. I had washed his cover to his high chair previously to that, so I'm just sticking that back on there. And this is what my kitchen's looking like currently after breakfast. I'm just gonna head and put up the clean dishes back up so I can wash the ones that are dirty in the sink. I'm just using a Lysol wipe to wipe down the counter and disinfect it of any food or germs that was on there. Just vacuuming underneath Matthew's high chair from food that's fallen. Just using regular Windex for the top of this table. It does have a glass top. Onto the bathroom we go. I'm taking out Matthew's toilet, my scale, and putting up the shower curtain so that I can sweep the floor and shake out the rug. And I'm going ahead and taking out the trash and replacing it with the new bag. Folding up the hand towel, putting that up, and I'm going to go ahead and take everything off so we can wipe down the counters with another Lysol wipe. I am lighting tiki bars and Tan Lines candle from Confectionery Soaps. onto the bedroom. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off so that I can put the comforter on right and the pillows back on. Last item that we are doing is my vanity. I'm just using a wood cleaner and a paper towel to wipe off any makeup and dust that was on the vanity. And this is the final product. Everything's put away, everything's wiped down, it's clean, and it's ready to go for the next day. I want to thank y'all so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.